Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to everyone. So in this video, I would like to discuss about subtopic 1.2, more complex counting problems. This subtopic is extension from the topic 1.1. Here is the objective for this subtopic, where at the end of this lesson, I want everybody know how to solve counting problems by using combination, product rule, and also sum rule. Okay, let's start with the introduction first. Okay, in a real life problem, some problem is a very hard, it's a very complex to count. Okay, where it cannot be simply solved by using the sum rule only or by using the product rule only. So to solve the complex counting problems, we are required to combine the sum rule and also the product rule. So I hope everybody still remember how to solve by using product rule, where the formula is n1 multiply with n2 until multiply with nk. And while for sum rule, the formula is n1 plus n2 plus until nk. Okay, so now let's try one example for better understanding. So example number 1. Find the number of passwords that can be formed with 3 letters followed by 3 digits, such as the first letter is either B or D. Okay, so we are going to create a password, okay, with 6 characters. So the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And the first 3, this only for alphabet. Okay, while for the last 3, this is for digits. So for alphabet, okay, so we have from A, B until Z, so total is a 26. While for digits, okay, so from 0, 1 until 9, we have total 10 digits. And given to us also, there is a condition. Okay, the condition is the first letter must be start with B or with D. Okay, so start with alphabet B. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for the first place, okay, it's already fixed with B. Okay, and for the second place, okay, we have 26 possible alphabet. And since it can be repeated, for the third place also, we have 26 possible alphabet. Okay. And the next one, okay, the last 3 is for digits. And it can be repeated. That's mean for the fourth place, okay, the digits, we have 10 possible digits. And the fifth place, since it can be repeated, so we have 10 digits. And also for the last one, since it can be repeated, so we also have 10 digits. Okay, by using the product rule. Okay, so we will have 1 multiply with 26, multiply with 26, multiply with 10, 10 and also 10. So we will have 6,676,000. So this is if we start with B. So now, how about if it start with D? Okay, so again, we calculate again, start with D. That's mean the first place already fixed with D. How about the second place? Okay, alphabet. Okay, and since it can be repeated, so we have 26 ways. Same goes to the third place, 26 ways. And then for the last 3 place, this is for digits. So, and it can be repeated. So we have 10, 10, and also 10. So by using product rule, so we will have 1 multiplied by 26, but multiply 26, multiply by 10 to the power of 3. So we will have 676,000 ways. Okay, now the last solution is we just need to sum up, okay, the first solution and the second solution. So we will have by using the sum rule. So we will have 767,000 plus 676,000. So what we have, okay, so the answer is 1352,000 with. Okay, let's try example number 2. So the problem is, in a version of the language basic, the name of a variable is a string of one or two alphanumeric characters, where uppercase and lowercase letters are not distinguished. So what is alphanumeric? Alphanumeric character is either one of 26 English letters or one of the 10 digits. So moreover, a variable name must begin with a letter and must be different from the 5 strings of 2 characters that are reserved for programming use. So how many different variable names are there in this version of BASIC? So here we are going to create a name of a variable, okay, with a string 1 or a string with 2 characters. And also given to us some condition. Okay, the condition is a variable name must begin with a letter. Okay, that's mean the first place must be a letter. That's mean letter we have from A until Z total 26. Okay, and we have also a digits. Okay, digits that's mean 0 until 9, so total we have 10 numbers. Okay, for the first task, this is the first task. Okay, since the first task we have one place only, and the condition is the name must begin with a letter. So that's mean here we have 26 possible alphabet can be used. Okay, so this is for the first task. And then for the second task, okay, since the name we have two place here, the first place, this one is for alphabet only. So that's mean we have 26 possible ways. Okay, and for the second place, this is whether alphabet or also digits. That's mean 26 and also 36. Okay. Oh, sorry, not 36. That is 26 plus 10 digits. Okay. So for the first task, we just have 26 only. And for the second task, we have 26 multiplied with 26 plus 10, 10 is 36. Okay, so we will have 26 multiplied with 36. We have here 936. Okay, so we sum task 1 and task 2. That's mean we have by using a sum rule. Okay, we will have 26 plus 936. That means we have 962. Okay, but this is not the final answer. Okay, we have another condition. The last condition, okay, and must be different from 5 strings of 2 characters. That's mean from the total 962 this, we need to subtract 5 characters. Okay, that's mean we will have the final answer is 957. Okay, so now let's try for the example number 3. Okay, so each user on a computer system has a password, which is 6 to 8 characters long, where each character is an uppercase letter or a digit. Each password must contain at least, okay, we have a condition here, at least one digit. So how many possible passwords are there? Okay, so we are going to create a password, okay, with 3 tasks. Okay, the first one, okay, we have a password with 6 characters. That's mean the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 6. This is password with 6 characters. So we have a second task. Okay, this is a password with 7 characters. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last task we have we need to create a password with 8 characters. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And as we know, okay, the characters in each password, okay, can be alphabet and at least 1 digit. So for alphabets, okay, so start from A until Z, so we have 26. While for digits, so we have from 0 until 9, so we have total of 10 digits. Okay, so for password 6, okay, so for the first place, okay, it can be alphabet or a digits. That means we can be 26 alphabet and also 10 digits. Okay, and since it can be repeated, so same goes until the 6 characters. That means 26 and 10, 26 and 10, 26 and 10, 26 and 10, and also 26 and 10. So total here is 36 to the power of 6. Okay, so this is pass for task number 1, password with 6 characters. Okay, so now let's go to the second task. Okay, so the second task is we are going to create a password with a 7 characters. Okay, and with the same condition, at least 1 digit. Okay, so for the first place, we have possible 26 letters with a 10 digits. Okay, so and it can be repeated. That means for the rest, we have 26 and also 10. Okay, 26 and 10 possible ways. Okay, so total for this password with 7 characters is 36 to the power of 7. Okay, so how about password with 8 characters? Okay, same as previous. So for the first place, we have possible 26 alphabet and also 10 digits. And it can be repeated. That means the same thing. Okay, for the rest of the characters. Okay, so that means 2610. 2610, 2610, 2610, 2610, 2610, and also 2610. So what is the total way? So we have 36 to the power of 8. Okay, so what is the total ways? So we have, so the total ways we have 36 to the power of 6 plus 36 to the power of 7 plus 36 to the power of 8. But remember, this is not our final answer. Okay, we have condition. Okay, the condition said each password must contain at least 1 digit. Okay, that's mean, okay, we need to minus, okay, the possibilities that have password on content that characters only. That means we need to minus 26 to the power of 6 plus 26 to the power of 7 plus 26 to the power of 8. So from here you will have the final answer that have a big numbers. Okay, so you can try, you can get the answer by using your calculator. Okay. So I hope everybody can understand my explanation in this video about the combination, sum rule and product rule. So please try all the exercise and all the best guys. Thank you.